So I was cruising to Walmart. We came across Umbreon, I believe that's how I pronounce it, 10. Let's see what's inside. So I got a new camera holder here that I'm trying out. Has this built-in light. It's kind of cool. Okay, so there's our foil card. And our code card. Nice, fancy. Very cool. Set that up there. I didn't know what was in this kit. It didn't say on the outside. So Brilliant Stars, Fusion Strike, Evolving Skies, and Evolving Skies. So let's start out with Brilliant Stars. Well, if I remember right, white in this series is bad. So, let's go a little closer here. Got it. Oh, our reverse is Electabuzz and Ultra Ball Gold. Nice. So, let's look at Fusion Strike. Grass. Zarude. Wooloo. That last one was indeed Trubbish. Alright, well, let's get on to Evolving Skies here. Psych! Oh, copycat. What we got here? Hoppin'. Oh. Our reverse is a Ampharos and shaking. Oh, slaking, sorry. Put slaking up there. And our last Evolving Skies. Let's see if we have some last pack magic here. I don't know. Steel. Zubat. Stormy Mountain. Shellgun. Temple. Lilo. Eevee. Cutie Fly. Hitmonchan. The Spirit Mask and well, thanks for watching.